Hi, this is Lucia with The Art of Love. Well, spring is almost here. You know what that means. Spring break, spring cleaning, and peak breakup season. Yes, you may recall in December, I talked about breakup season then in my video, "'Tis the Season to be Jilted." Well, unfortunately, there's also a second breakup season, according to Facebook status stats. So why am I telling you this? Because forewarned is forearmed. Knowledge is power, and if you know that something may happen, then you won't be as shocked when it does happen. You'll be prepared rather than being blindsided and reacting. This way you'll be prepared and you'll have a plan. So what are the steps to take if someone does break up with you during peak breakup season? If you've been listening to me for a while, you know, first of all, don't freak out. Stay calm and just say, okay, no problem. Don't beg, don't plead, leave them alone, let them go. So if you've been having problems, think about what you might need to change so that your partner doesn't break up with you in case it's been on their mind or they've been acting like they might be thinking about breaking up with you or they're pulling away. If you've been too needy, then it's time to pull back. If you've been too distant or selfish, then it's time to reach out or to be more giving. So just think about what things your partner has complained about in the past that you weren't doing or that you were doing or that you weren't saying or that you were saying, and do the opposite. And please don't make the mistake of thinking, oh, my partner's not breaking up with me. They're too into me to break up with me. Yeah. Well, everyone has a breaking point, and most people are very surprised when their partner breaks up with them. And then they get the breakup text or the breakup call and they go into a panic. I mean, think about the times that someone has broken up with you. Were you expecting it? Usually not. Usually it's a big surprise. And so that's why you want to be prepared now that breakup season is coming up. And you want to work on any issues you might be having so that you are not blindsided and all of a sudden you end up being broken up with out of the blue. Because it's a lot easier to fix a relationship while you're in it rather than trying to get someone back. Trust me, I know. So, if you have any questions about this or are interested in one-to-one coaching, you can contact me at my website, theartoflove.net. If you're listening to this on iTunes, I would appreciate if you would rate and review the podcast. If you're listening on YouTube, please subscribe. And finally, remember that love inspires, empowers, uplifts, and enlightens.